A Hatboro man is charged with stabbing his neighbor to death, and investigators say it might have been over a lengthy argument. Christopher Casey now charged with third-degree murder. Police say on Sunday, Casey used a large military-style knife to stab Robert Wallace at a home in the 300 block of Fitch Road. Casey reportedly told police he stabbed Wallace after Wallace broke his window. Investigators say in the past, the two also fought over snoring that could be heard through the walls.